Okay, you're welcome back. So I want to show you how I usually organize my WhatsApp status post. Okay, if I my general promotion, my general WhatsApp promotion. Okay, so I will explain it in details. Pay attention, you're going to learn a lot. Okay, so if you watch, you see that this is 2024 promo, 2024 promotion, right? So this is my birthday promo, March 2024. So you see that we have a folder for it. And we also have the folder for August, but let me concentrate on the birthday promo. If I open it now, you see I have hard copies. That is where I wrote everything I'm going to post in the status. This is flyer, the flyer I created for the promotion. Okay, the flyer I'm going to use for the promotion. All my courses are here. The courses I'm selling are here. Okay, if I should open this hard copy now, let me just show you. This one's edited. Let me just give you an idea of how this hard copy is. So you see that all these are what I'm going to post in on WhatsApp status. I was shocked when my students sent me this. I'm kind of telling them story, because storytelling, people like it a lot. Tell them story on your WhatsApp status. Okay, this is story. Then you see after all the stories, now I will not put call to action to make them click to see the courses in my academy. And this one is motivation. Other people's laziness is a good mind for those who are hardworking. Okay, so when you read it, you understand it. And this is a call to action after the motivation. Say how to frustrate frustration. You read it, you get it. Okay. Then the world is a computer. God is a programmer, and we are computer applications. So you see that it's quite interesting lectures. How my generator repairer fired himself. You see, this one is a story. People love story. Do you understand? Good. So this is where I take my time to write what I'm going to be posting. You might be asking, how did I get all these things? Naturally, I'm a teacher and I'm a motivator. Okay, so it's easier for me. It's quite easy for me to to get as many topics to write about. And I'm a writer too. I'm a storyteller, I'm a writer, so it's easy for me. But I know some people it might not be easy for them. So this is how you do it. If you're not like me, like get whatever any topic I want fast, you do it like this. When anything, just use your life experience. If there are so many stories about your life experience, take your time to write them down. Just write the topic only. Topic like this topic now. Okay, write it down. Later you're going to develop it, but you're just gathering topics. Okay, write the topic. If there are maybe a subtopic, something that you might forget, write it under it as a subtopic. Then all your life experience, okay, especially the story that will help make an emphasize the product you want to sell. You understand? You put it down. Then if maybe you are going on the road, you saw something that captivates you, maybe something that makes you laugh or something that makes you question life, write it as a topic. People might benefit from it. Okay, put it as a topic. I actually have an app in my phone. I actually created the app. I created the mobile app myself. I call it Heroic Shadow. Heroic Shadow. I use it to, if I remember, and if something comes to my mind, I will open my phone and type it in the schedule. Okay, but if you have any app or maybe a notepad in your phone or anywhere you're going to be writing something in your phone, so once you see something that caught your attention, you write it. People might benefit from it. Do you understand? So that way you'll be gathering topics. Just concentrate on getting topics upon topics. Okay, anything that will interest people, you get it. Or you are scrolling through social media, because some of these topics you are seeing here, I also got them from social media. Maybe you saw a video that caught your attention, then you get the video. As in, even if you didn't, what I normally do, I used to download some of those videos because I have an app that I'm using to download the videos. So I used to download those videos. But if you don't want to download the videos, just get a topic about that video, then you write it down. But if you want to download, I think downloading the video will be quite helpful to you, because if you are telling a story and you are attaching a video or a picture of that story, it interests people more. Okay, like when I told the story of the leader, founder of Church of Satan in South Africa that met Christ. Okay, he repented and met Christ. So I wrote about him. So I shared his interview. Okay, I shared pictures of where he was still the leader of Church of Satan in South Africa, and where he repented, and even where he cried. So all those videos kind of captivate people, makes them like my content. You understand me? So that said, so that is, there are many ways. Maybe when I will talk more about copywriting, because I will teach you copywriting too. If you pay for copywriting, maybe you must have gone through the lecture. If you've not paid for copywriting, maybe copywriting might be the next course you should pay for. Okay, because you need it badly. Okay. And this is my story again, how a Ghanaian driver kidnapped me for 20 minutes. So you see all these things. All these are my personal experience in Ghana. Yeah, you get me? So that's, by the way, so that's my content. After you must have gathered all the topics you want to write about, you start writing them. You start writing your experience there. Okay, like I said, if you're not the type that writes, you are, I don't want to say you are lazy, because you will feel offended. You're not lazy, but maybe you don't want to write. Maybe you can hire somebody to write for you. Tell the person your experience, the person will write it. Or maybe you're not so good at writing. But you don't really need to be good at writing. As long as you can tell stories, you're good. But if you still want someone else to do it for you, maybe an expert, then you pay the person to do it for you. Just get as many topics as possible, then you write it. Okay, then after writing it, now let's go from ad copies to flyers. Then if you have flyers of the product you want to post, you want to promote, then you have to design flyers, maybe different flyers with the product. Okay, then this is the graphic design, and where I designed the flyers, the graphics, and this is the main flyer I designed. Okay, then this is the post. And this is where I now organize my post. Before I talk about this post, let's talk about screenshot. Screenshots helps people, kind of motivate people. When people see your conversation with people that are making use of your product, they'll begin to believe that, oh my God, your product is really good. Okay, like my students, what I normally do is, when my students send me a message thanking me for, let me just go to this selected. Okay, let me just check. Okay, here, okay, this one for video. Okay, so when a student sent me, let me just check. Okay, this one sent me a screenshot, not a screenshot, but a message on WhatsApp thanking me for, or telling me their experience about the training they're undergoing. I used to screenshot it. Okay, I used to screenshot it and put it as a testimonial. If you go to my website, you are going to see many of them. Like, for example, this one, you say, please, can I call? Okay, I told him to drop a voice note to the issue he's having. You say, I just finished. Okay, now this is where the testimonial is. Okay, you say, I just finished the web design project after following you step by step on the tutorial, and I must confess, I enjoyed every step. That's great. I told you. You get me? That's a good testimonial. Let's look at this one. Okay. You say, good evening, sir. How are you doing? I'm one of your students taking a web development course. Your teaching is so simple to understand, though I'm still in the beginning of the HTML. Thanks, may God bless you. You see all these things. They are wonderful testimonials, so many testimonials, you understand. I have more screenshots than this. I have up to 50 or more screenshots I've got. So if you truly want to make a breakthrough in in WhatsApp marketing now, or in fact, social media marketing generally, you need screenshots of your conversation. And again, video tutorial, video testimonial. I also have very video testimony. There was a time I sent messages to my students to ask them to make videos to tell me how the experience. You can also do it with to your customers. Okay, just be humble, because I was so humble in that message. What I said, I put the topic of my message I sent to my student. I said, I need your help. I told them that I need their help. Okay, that they've been my student for some time, and I believe they're enjoying the course. That I want videos, that I will appreciate it if they could make videos of and tell how much, the experience so far. You understand? So I kind of pleaded with them humbly, and a lot of them responded, and they made videos for me. You can also do it for your customers. Okay, chat them humbly, thank them for being a customer. Okay, then ask them if they could make videos of maybe to tell about their product, your product. A lot of them will do that for them. Or maybe when they purchased your product newly, then you might ask them to make a video where they're opening that product and send to you. Some of them will do it for you. Not all of them will do it actually, but at least one or two. If you get just one, it's good enough. If you get many, powerful. Do you understand? Good. So that's the testimonial. So you can also post this in your WhatsApp status, and you catch people's attention. You can also share it in a broadcast too. This is where I have video tutorial. In your own case, you also have to make video tutorials too. These are some of the video tutorials I made in this one is how for web design, for those that are interested in web design. So I'm showing where I'm teaching web design. Okay, for example, if I should play this now, you see.
Okay. All right, you're welcome back. So in this tutorial, we're going to talk about slider. Okay, we are going to create a slider. Okay, the slider we are going to put here. Okay, the slider will also be here. Okay.
So you see what I'm talking about. So kind of showing them just a little tutorial of, the nature of my tutorial. Okay, giving them an idea of how those that have not paid yet, so that they will have an idea of how the training is going to be. Do you understand? So that's exactly what you're also going to be doing. You have to lecture people on topics surrounding your product. Very important. I actually have video, my personal video picture. Okay, it's not here, as in where I'm showing my face. Okay, this one is for mobile app development too. Okay, you see that?
Okay, you're welcome back. So let's continue. We are going to work on this body of this particular area. Okay, so
so you see what I'm saying, so that I'm showing them videos of me teaching students, and these videos I actually made them while teaching my students. Do you understand? So in your own case, just make videos showing your product, showing what your product can do, telling them how to use it properly. You understand? And how to avoid one or two things depending on what your product is about. Just try to add value to them. Okay, that will actually interest them, make them want to buy your product. You understand me? So that's for the tutorial. Then let's go to the post, because all these things are what you're going to gather together before you now organize the post. Okay, if you watch, you're also going to see my to-do list. My to-do list, where I organize my to-do list. Okay. Now let me leave out this one. This one might not be necessary. Okay, now let's go to post then. So watch this now. Watch this. Do you see how I organize this? My promotion will last for 14 days. 14 days, and I organize the post I'm going to make for the whole of the 14 days. Let me open day one. Day one, now you see that I'm going to post 7 a.m., 12 noon, 7 p.m. So on 7 a.m. I will post these. Because it's my birthday, so I'm going to post my birthday wishes. Okay, I love this birthday wish. All my birthday, if I want to wish anybody birthday, I'm going to play this song. Let me play it a bit for you. You are going to enjoy it. You pay me for this. Okay, I see. Mhm.
Another year is over now, advances day by day. Wonderful for seasons, flow like away. Feel happy, rise up better. I hold all things together. Wherever you go, this may belong to you. No wishes for your mother, the best for me is you. We're the friends forever, may all your dreams come true. I wish you love and blessings that money cannot buy. Peace is on your face,
Oh, sorry, I'm going to cut it here. I'm sorry I cut it. I know you are enjoying it. So it was quite an amazing song. Okay, it's quite an amazing song. I used to. That's my song. Anytime I'm celebrating my birthday or I'm wishing somebody happy birthday. Okay, so I normally post this first, this video first. Then maybe I will write this. So this message, this is the message I'm going to also post after this video. Okay. So actually, this is a story of my student sending me money. Okay, so a story, just a story in my WhatsApp status. Then I will now post these ones at the end. Okay, and if you watch this promo, now it's a flyer for my promo. You see that birthday promo, enjoy up to 50% discount for all our ICT courses. And this is myself celebrating my birthday. Okay, that's amazing, isn't it? Wow. So this is the first day. First day, 7 a.m. in the morning. By 12 noon. So I will put this one. Ghana versus Nigerian accent.
Butter! Butter! Hey! Next way. Brother! Brother!
So you see what I'm saying? So this one is entertainment. So in the afternoon they enjoy entertainment. So in the evening, then I will add my own video where I talked about hard work and smart work. Okay, and put this my flyer again for promotion. Now let's look at it. You see that?
Hard work is learning on your own. Smart work is hiring a coach to coach you. Okay, let me explain this. One thing about the rich is that the rich value time so much, but the poor they don't value time much. Okay, you know why? Because a rich man has a lot to handle.
Anyway, so that is it. So you see the video I post. So you can make video of yourself. You talk about a topic surrounding your product, or kind of motivate people. Just okay, but just know that what you are doing is to make people trust you. Whatever all these posts you are making will connect people to you emotionally. They will get connected to you, so that when you tell them about buying a product, it becomes easier and easier and easier for them to pay you for your product, whatever product you're selling. Hope you understand that. Very good. So that is it. Okay, for the first day. The second day, I will post. So you see the post for second day. AI can code. My video is also there. Okay, this one is entertainment in the afternoon. Okay, this way I talked about my generator guy that fired himself. This is a story. Okay, so after the story, I will post the advert, the flyer. This one is the flyer for my promotion. Okay, so the third day, the same thing. You get that? Then here where I talked about a story again, where I was kidnapped by a Ghanaian person, don't mind me. Then this one is also okay. This person is entertainment too, but talking about the earth if a needle hits the earth. So entertainment and motivation at the same time. Okay, now this where I talked about Zuckerberg was thinking global. This one is motivation and motivating people. Okay, so you see, it's pretty great if you ask me. So on the fourth day, this is the day I'm going to run a broadcast. Okay, so I'm running a broadcast to a new prospect. I created 2 broadcasts. One is going to new prospect, those that have not received my broadcast before. This one will go to them. This one will go to old prospect, those that have been receiving my broadcast. Then this flyer will go to all of them too. Okay, if I should make it to show, this is the flyer. Okay, the flyer contains my courses and their prices. These are courses and their prices for Nigerians. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so if you watch, see that I didn't post in my WhatsApp status today because I'll be responding to a lot of people. Once you post a broadcast, a lot of people will be asking you questions, so you have to answer them. So I won't have time to post in status. So that's why I didn't add status today. So other day you add it. Other day you add it. Okay. So I think I'll also use the this opportunity to show you the strategy you are going to use while doing this. So you see, why you are posting this, people will be enjoying it and they'll be asking you questions about your product. Few people will buy in the process, but if you want them to buy, if you want many of them to buy, you have to instill urgency. Okay, you know, this is 14 days promotion. So towards the end, I will begin to tell them that the promo is ending. Let me look for a way I wrote about it, because this is so important if you want to really make money on WhatsApp. Okay, so you see here, and I'm now telling them, because I know that some of them can't really afford to pay once. I'm telling them about paying by installment. Okay, but when I started, I wasn't telling them to pay by installment because I knew that some people can afford it. Those that can afford to pay once, they will pay even before the end. Some of them will pay. Those that cannot afford it, towards the end, many of them might have been thinking, oh my God, I'm going to miss this opportunity again. I'm going to miss this, especially if they have seen my promo before. Many of them might be thinking, I'm going to miss this opportunity again, and they'll be feeling bad. But the moment they see that they can actually pay by installment, boom, many of them will start paying. Okay, you see that I said at the end of the promo, promo ends in 4 days. So this is an urgency. I'm now telling them that the promo is ending. Promo is ending. Okay, so at the end of the promo, I'm telling them what will happen if they did not pay. That the discount will be removed, and the price will increase by 50%. So this urgency, if you didn't add the urgency at all, a lot of them will just enjoy your post without paying for anything. They will be postponing it. They will keep postponing it. They say, I will pay. Nobody will pay, or only few will pay. But once you put urgency, wow, they will begin to run around to pay. Okay, so you can pay by installment for those that can afford to pay in full. You understand? Then, if you're interested, you see that this time around I put call to action, chat me. Okay, because I found out that I've studied my audience, found out that they prefer chatting me than paying if I drop account details. They chat me. When they chat me, then I will now send them account details. After, if they have questions, they must have answered. I must have answered their questions. Then I'll drop the account details. They'll pay. Okay, so this urgency is so important. Please don't miss it. If you miss it, you are leaving out a lot of money on the table. Okay, if I should move to the next one, I think this video is becoming quite lengthy. If I should move to the next post, maybe the 11, you are going to see that okay, this one is last broadcast. In this last broadcast, it's just short. It's not so much, because this way I want to inform, because some people are not watching. Not everybody are watching my WhatsApp status, so I have to send them another broadcast after 7 days, more than 7 days. Okay, like 10 days. 11 days, right? Yeah, right. After 11 days of the promo, we'll send them a broadcast again. You see, in the broadcast, say, good morning. I sent you a message about our ongoing birthday promo. In the promo, you have the opportunity to enroll in some of our ICT courses at 50% discount. Today, I want to inform you that the promo will end in less than 3 days. Do you see that urgency now? Very important. If you're interested in the course but don't have enough money now, I will allow you to pay by installment. So you're talking about that installment, because I know some people might not have enough money to pay. Okay, chat me if you are ready to enroll. Okay, if you have any question, go ahead and ask me. Very simple. So a lot of them will respond. Some will pay by installment. Okay, very good. So that is it. You must add urgency, and if you read the subsequent posts, you are going to see that when it is 1 day left, I will tell them we have only 24 hours left. The way it is maybe 12 hours left, I will tell them that it's ending by midnight today. And what I noticed that from that 24 hours till midnight, much more people usually pay within that period. Okay, they will run around to pay because it's ending by 12 midnight, and then I mean, another thing is, once it ends, please also drop another message to tell them that it has ended, and you thank those that paid and promise them that you will give them the best, depending on the product you are selling. But just make sure that you inform people that it has ended, and that I also inform them that the price has increased. This is so important. Inform them that the price has increased. Okay, that if they need it, then you now maybe you have a flyer, because I normally have a flyer that contains the new prices. Share the flyer to them, as in post the flyer in your WhatsApp status. You thank those that took the advantage of the promo to pay, and I promise them that you're going to give the best. If you do this, it will instill a kind of jealousy in those that didn't pay. They will regret for not paying, and that will prepare their mind for your next promo. Anytime you want to do promo again, some of them will be among the people that will pay. That's how you work on the mind of your prospects. Do you understand me? If you do this well, you will sell any product, and you sell it so well. Okay, and people will enjoy your product, and make sure that that product you are selling is good. Don't just sell anything, because if you sell any anyhow product that doesn't deliver quality, they will buy, but they won't share their testimonials to you. Okay, and they won't buy more of your product again. But I've seen my students bought many of my products, so many, okay, because they love it, and I attend to them. You understand? So that's how it is. I think I'm going to, but you've seen the structure, how I organize my WhatsApp status. Okay, so if you look at this last now, you see that 7 a.m. I'll post this, okay, in row now and start later. This one I made a video to explain those to those that can't start now, that they can row now and start anytime they want to. Okay, this one is entertainment too. Okay, then this one is the flyer. Okay, so that is by the way. That's by the way. So that's how it is. I believe I've been able to communicate the value here. Just know that this is the most important part of your marketing on WhatsApp, or one of the most important parts of your marketing on WhatsApp. If you know how to organize your post in such a way that it will combine both entertainment, motivation, lecture, and the urgency to make them buy from you, then you will win their hearts, and you'll make a lot of money on WhatsApp. Okay, using your WhatsApp status, or using broadcasts, or even WhatsApp group too. This principle applies to all of them. I wish you good luck.